How to add background music to Instagram Reels. So if you wish to add a background music to an Instagram Reel, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Launch the Instagram application and then go ahead and tap on the plus icon from the very bottom, and once done you can see a couple of options where you can simply go to the Reels tab over there. Once you go to the Reels tab, you can simply select any of the reels that you wish to make a reel of right here, right? So let me go ahead and select a couple of images in this case, let's say, and then you tap on next. Now by default it will automatically sync some of the clips and the audio or the music, but you can choose a designated music that you want by tapping the search icon right here, and then you'll be able to select a certain music, and once done hit the arrow icon next to it. Then after that only you can tap on the next option, tap on next, and then after that you have successfully added your music or a background music in this case to your Instagram Reels. This way you will be able to add background music to Instagram Reels or any of the other Reels for that matter. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.